Hi, I'm Kevin, and I've worked at CMD for 22 years, and this is my son, Austin. I brought Austin on Bring Your Kid to Work Day, and I'm glad he never left.
I love my manufacturing career because of the variety of work I get to do and the technology that I get to use. No day is the same. I want a steady job with good pay and the opportunity to move up in the company. I chose a company like CMD for the great benefits, like health insurance, flex time, and most of all, the generous vacation.
I told my son that I really enjoy my career. If you do what you love, you'll never have to work a day in your life. Manufacturing has been a very secure career for me and my family. We have never went without.
The future in the manufacturing industry is very bright, and I'm excited to be a part of it.
To find out how you can be a part of this growing industry, please visit manufacturing.careers. Start your future today.